Right, hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT. So today we're going to be doing another update on Bitcoin and another update on XRP. Hopefully this is just going to be a quick video and just a quick update on both of these coins. So basically, let's just get straight into it. If you haven't checked my video out yesterday, then go and do that. It's probably best to go and check that out before you start watching this one. But if you're going to go and do that, just go and watch through all the 30 other videos that I've done as well. Why not? But basically, yeah, so basically in yesterday's video I did explain, so this was basically where I filmed yesterday's video around, what was it, around here. So it was basically before we sort of came up and broke above this bearish flag pattern. I did say that we should be coming up and retesting the $30,500 level, but we didn't. We came up and retested. We came up to about $30,200, and then we got rejected, and then obviously come back down, and then basically come back down to support of $29,300. So this is on the 45-minute chart. I do feel like now, basically, I've made this sort of small descending triangle pattern on this chart here. So basically, if we do break out of this, then I do think that we should be coming up and retesting basically this $30,400 level again, around 30,400 to 30,500. We should be coming up and retesting it as soon as we break out. If we break out, then I do think that we should be coming up to about here. So if we tend to, so basically if we carry on trading sideways like we are, and then we hit this sort of basically the top of this descending triangle, we shall be breaking out and sort of retesting this resistance level here. If we do break through this resistance level here, if we basically sort of trade sideways, break out of this ascending triangle, then we would be coming up and retesting this resistance level here. It is quite a strong resistance level, so we may get rejected again, but obviously we've been doing this for quite a while now. But if we do break through this resistance level here, then we should be coming up and retesting the resistance level of $31,100. So that's that scenario. If we obviously break towards the downside, then I would see us coming down and retesting the support level of about $28,800, and then obviously if we fail to sort of bounce back off of that, then we should be coming back down and retesting $27,900. But I shouldn't really think that we would come back down to there. I hope so. I hope so. No, I don't hope so. I hope not. I hope we don't do this. But yeah, it's not looking likely at this moment in time. I do feel like we should be breaking out of this ascending triangle in the next sort of few hours, and probably coming up and retesting this $30,400 level to $30,500 level. If we head over to the 1 hour chart, just quickly actually, where's the MACD gone? There it is. Yeah, can't really see it. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. But on the RSI, we may be ticking bearish. But obviously that will just mean that we'll come down a small amount, and then we'll basically just be trading sideways. That's basically it on the 45-minute chart. If we go to the 1 hour chart, we are about to tick bearish on the 1 hour chart. So saying that, so if we basically measure this here, then we'll be coming down and basically coming down and retesting this support level here of $29,300. And that's basically it for the 1 hour chart. We are about to tick bearish, so that means that we will be coming down and retesting this support level here. Let me just mark it for you. So we'll come down and we will retest this support level here, and then we'll probably bounce back up and then sort of carry on trading sideways. That's sort of the scenario that I would be sort of suggesting for Bitcoin, because I do feel like we should be breaking out of this descending triangle at some point this evening or maybe tomorrow. Let me just get rid of this. Let's head over to the 4 hour chart. Yeah, so we are okay on the 4 hour chart. Not looking bearish at the moment. We have obviously just come through and broken through of the RSI. We are seeing a small amount of volume coming up on the MACD, and I'm pretty sure we're about to take bullish on the MACD as well. I'm not really sure what's going on with my MACD at the moment, but let me just show you. So we are getting a small amount of volume. We did tick bullish back here, but this was like 1 o'clock this morning. Let me just move this back down. So yes, we should be still on target to sort of break through this ascending triangle. Like I said earlier, if we do break out of this, then we should be retesting at the $30,500 level. And again, like I said, we could be breaking through this and retesting the $31,100 level. And that's it for the 4-hour chart. If we head over to the daily chart very quickly, like I said, I'm not bearish on Bitcoin at the moment. I do feel like we're just seeing a slow sort of increase in volume here. We've obviously come up here in volume, had a little dip, but obviously we're starting to come back up again. So this is what I would like to see. I'd like to see us just slowly creeping up here, and then got that. But no, that probably won't happen. But yeah, I do feel like we are just slowly increasing in volume as well, which is nice. Just a nice slow increase is good. We don't want it to be a massive impulsive break, because then we can probably have a massive sell-off again, and then we'd be back down in this position again. But like I said, we do look like we are in a bearish flag pattern on the daily chart. I've got lots of things going on here on the daily chart. But I will have to have a little clear up of this really, just so it's a bit clearer for you guys. But basically, yeah, we are in like a bearish flag pattern, and I do feel like if we do break out of that, then basically the impulsive break would be quite big. What would it be? It would probably end up being sort of like this candle here. Let's come down here. If we break through this, see, I can't even read this this at the moment. But basically, yeah, if we do break out of this, then we should be reaching. So let's basically put it about here. So if we break out of this bearish flag pattern here on the daily chart, then we should be breaking out and retesting the 33,000 sort of like $200 level. So that's what I'd like to see. But that's only if we break through this bearish flag pattern on the daily chart. Again, like I said earlier, we are trading sideways. Not a lot is happening. We were just going up, getting rejected, coming down, going up, getting rejected, going down, support, back to resistance, support, back to resistance. This is literally what's happening at the moment. But if we do come up here and we do break through this level here, then we should be having a nice break to the upside, probably around, yeah, about $33,600, and retesting this resistance up here. But obviously we do need to break through the resistance of 31,100, and then 32,500, and then 33,600. There's a lot of resistances to sort of break through, but hopefully we can do it. But we are seeing a nice increase in volume, which is nice to see. On the MACD, we are still waiting to tick bullish, and like I said, once we do tick bullish, then we should be coming up to about $40,600. That's just my sort of view on things. That's what I think is going to happen. If we head over to XRP very quickly, again, we're just trading sideways. Nothing amazing is happening. We have just ticked bullish on the Oh no, let's go back to the 45 minute. 45 minute, yeah, look, again, we are testing, we're not testing, we are trading sideways at the moment. Not a lot is happening. It's just boring. It's all just boring at the moment. But we are just trading sideways. Not a lot to say really at this moment in time. We have sort of created the inverse head and shoulders on the 45 minute chart, but we obviously have already had, we basically already had, so this is the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder here, and we probably have already had the small pump to the upside there, so there's not a lot going on there. If we go over to the 1 hour chart, same again, not a lot is happening. Is this an inverse head and shoulders? Yeah, it looks to me like it is. But we haven't had the break to the upside. But if we do basically tick bullish, and we obviously have this inverse head and shoulders here, then we should be like sort of coming up to this resistance level here of 42 cents. Yeah, again, not a lot's happening. Not sure why this MACD is looking like this, but we are about to tick bullish on the MACD, and we are having a nice slow increase in volume as well, which is nice to see. And that's about it really on the 1 hour chart. Let's head over to the 4 hour chart with XRP. So yeah, we are about to tick bullish again on the MACD over here, and we have just ticked bullish here on the RSI. So I do think that we should be coming up here, retesting this resistance level here of 42 cents. If we do obviously fail to break through this, then we should be coming back down and retesting 39 cents. If we do break through this resistance level here, then we should be coming up and retesting. Let's have a look. So we should be coming up here, retesting this resistance level here. If we do break through this, then we should be coming up and retesting the 45 cents sort of level really. But the 42 cents level is quite a strong resistance at the moment, so it would be quite nice to break through that really, because it's been a little while since we have actually broken through it. But the increase in XRP, let's basically measure this candle here. If we move this over here, then that will basically mean that again, that's just proving my point. So basically, if we do carry on going towards the upside, and obviously if we do tick bullish on the MACD, then we should be coming up and retesting the resistance of 42 cents. So that's my prediction for XRP. Not a lot's going to happen. Probably about a 6 to 6.5% increase, but the pump may have already happened because obviously we have already ticked bullish on the RSI and we have already started to bounce back off of this support level here. So yeah, but it's all looking fine. We're not looking too bearish at the moment, just nothing's happening really. We're just trading sideways. Let's just check the daily at the moment. Like I said again, we are basically just going up in volume. We are going up in volume. So as you can see, we've got a nice steady increase in volume here for XRP, and yeah, it's just nice to see really. You don't really want it to go up in a big impulsive break, like I said earlier, because obviously if that happens, then you'll get a big sell-off period. But yeah, so we are on the XRP as well. On the daily, we are in a bearish flag pattern. So if we do, let me just draw this in for you. I would pretty much say that it's about sort of here-ish, and the bottom is here. So if we did break out, we should see an increase in price. Let's have a look. I'm just going quiet for a second, so I'm just going to concentrate. So if we do break out of the daily on XRP, we should be seeing a 52 cents XRP. That's if we break out of this sort of bearish flag pattern that we're in on the daily. So if we do tick bullish, and we tick bullish on the MACD here, which we should like I said, basically with Bitcoin and XRP, if we tick bullish on the MACD on the daily, there'll be an impulsive break. I do think there'll be quite a big break to the upside. So this is basically what we're waiting to happen. Basically, I should think it will be in the next sort of few weeks or next couple of weeks, but that might be too soon. So it will probably be in the next few weeks or the next month or so. But I do feel like it's probably going to be happening soon. We are very, very, very close for it to happen, but we do still need things to be bullish, and we still need to be ticking bullish and having the pump to the upside that we need for then to create the daily chart to then become bullish as well. Once that happens, then we will tick bullish on the MACD, and we'll see this pump to the upside that we would like to see. So that's basically it on today's video. If you guys would like to check out my previous videos and just see what I've just explained in the previous videos, most of it's sort of the same, but it's obviously just up-to-date videos on what's happening with XRP on Bitcoin. I do post daily as well, so if you'd like to subscribe and sort of hit that bell notification button, and then anytime I will post a video, you'll get a notification to say that I've posted, so you can come and have a look. And that's about it really. I shall see you guys on the next one. I'll post again tomorrow, and I hope you have a nice rest of the evening or day wherever you are in the world. I hope you enjoy this video. Peace.